Hello and welcome to the Concept Nova Talk Room, where we tackle the hard stuff you won't hear anywhere else. The reason you are listening to this podcast is because you are tired of the same old narratives. You're tired of being told that the problems we face are unavoidable. But the truth is, they are not. We are here to show you that there is always a solution, and we are not afraid to dig deep to find them. I am your host Daniel, and I'm here to guide you through the twists and turns of our discussions. We'll be bringing in industry experts, personal stories, and real-life examples to help you better understand the topics. But we are not just here to talk at you. We want you to be part of this conversation too. We want to hear your questions, your comments, and your experiences. That's why we are opening up our talk room to you, our listeners. So whether you are a business owner struggling with fuel costs or an individual trying to navigate the complexities of the Nigerian transportation system, we got you covered. Our goal is to provide you with actionable insights that you can implement in your daily life to make things easier. So fasten your earphones, grab a cup of coffee, and get ready to be inspired, informed, and entertained. Today, we'll be discussing the current fuel scarcity and fuel price hike in Nigeria and how Concept Nova's telematics solutions are making a difference. As we all know, Nigeria is currently experiencing a severe fuel scarcity, which has led to long queues at petrol stations and an increase in transportation fares. This situation has affected the country's economy and the lives of its citizens. The government is working to find a lasting solution, but companies like Concept Nova are already making a difference by offering innovative solutions to improve fuel efficiency. Telematics is the use of technology to monitor and communicate data from a vehicle in real time. Concept Nova's telematics solution can monitor fuel consumption, engine performance, and driver behavior, among other things, and send the data to their server for analysis. With this data, they can provide insights on how to improve fuel efficiency and reduce fuel consumption. One of the benefits of using Concept Nova's telematics solution is that they can help individuals and businesses save on fuel costs. For example, a logistics company that was experiencing high fuel costs due to excessive idling, speeding, and poor route planning installed Concept Nova telematics solution. They were able to monitor their drivers' behavior and implement policies to reduce idling and speeding. They also optimized their routes using Concept Nova's real-time traffic data, which reduced their fuel consumption by 20% and saved them over 5 million in fuel costs in 1 year. Concept Nova's telematics solutions are affordable and can be tailored to the needs of their clients. The installation process is straightforward and can be done by their technicians in a few hours. They also offer after-sales support to ensure that their clients get the most out of their solutions. Nigerians can take advantage of Concept Nova telematics solutions by visiting their website and requesting a quote. They also have partnerships with some insurance companies that offer discounts to drivers who have their solutions installed in their vehicles. In conclusion, Concept Nova's telematics solutions are making a significant difference in improving fuel efficiency in Nigeria. They are helping individuals and businesses save on fuel costs, improving road safety, and contributing to a greener environment by reducing carbon emission. I urge all Nigerians to take advantage of their telematics solutions and join the movement towards a more fuel efficient and sustainable Nigeria. In the coming episode, we'll be discussing various topics ranging from technology and innovations. And we're bringing in industry experts and real-time examples to help you better understand these topics. So stay tuned and get ready to join the conversation. Thank you for tuning in to Concept Nova Talk Home. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.